welcome to Slay University, and I'm your professor, Professor Tamia. So at Slay University, if you don't already know, it's everything weaves, wigs, dreads, natural hair, basically anything hair. So thank you for enrolling in this free course. Anytime you see this intro, if you're new to my channel, you already know we finna get class started. We finna learn something new, so just keep watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I quickly ombre this hair. I'm using BW2 powder, and I'm going to use a 40 volume developer. So the first thing I'm going to do, you see I have it sectioned into two sections, and I'm going to start at the back. I'm using a medium section because I really don't care about it, turning out, like I'm not looking for a certain look. I just want an ombre look. So I'm just going to use medium sections, and I'm just going to apply the bleach to the ends, make sure it's good and saturated, and then move all the way up to the middle of the hair. Now, when you do this, you want to use gloves, have a fan going, because these chemicals are really strong. This is going to be the quick version on how to do this. If you want a more detailed version, I'll do that later, and I probably already got a more detailed version somewhere on my channel, but this is like really quick. So once I have the bleach all in the hair, I'm just going to comb it through, and this is just going to help it distribute and make sure most of the hair is colored. So after that, what I'm just going to do is go and add some aluminum foil. Aluminum foil helps it process and turn quicker. So that's why I always use aluminum foil. Then I'm going to go to the next section and do the exact same thing. Now, like I said, this is the quick version. That's why I'm not using tiny sections. But anyways, no matter if you're doing it, this quick way or you want a certain type of look, you always want to make sure that if you're doing like an ombre, you want to make sure the ends of your hair is saturated with the bleach, because you want the ends to be lighter. Like, that's the only goal that I have in mind. But you want to make sure that the ends are lighter. And as you can see, not only do I run it through with the comb, but I also use my fingertips to smooth it through. And then, just like before, what I'm going to do is add aluminum foil to this section and then move on to the next section. Alright, so now, as you can see, once I add this last aluminum foil, I have 3 sections, and we're going to go back and check the first section. As you can see, it's already turning, so that is a good sign. So this hair is the same hair that I got from Hair and Beauty. I ordered it online. This was not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. Everything in this video is just I bought with my own coins, okay? So now that I'm at the top, what I'm going to do is, and I think the shortest bundle I have in is, I think it's a 12-inch, because I think I got 14, well, 12, 14, 16. So, yeah. So I let the color sit for about 20 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. This is how it turned out. I really like it. It's super cute, and it's very summer-ish. I'm ready for the summer, y'all. I know I keep mentioning the summer in my video, but I'm ready for it. But yeah, as you can see, the curl popped back really, really cute. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at @SlayByTamia, and I will definitely talk to you guys next video. Bye.